By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. March 6th को just a month ago मैंने एक पैटर्न का पिक्चर डाला on the chart of DAX index. That was megaphone pattern, a powerful reversal pattern. I identified a megaphone broadening wedge pattern on DAX index chart. अगर इस पैटर्न की मैं बात करूं तो ये क्या दिखाता है कि वॉलेटिलिटी में बहुत अधिक इंक्रीज और potentially the market can reverse from here. This pattern can be formed at the top as well as at the bottom. If it is at bottom, there is the probability the market will now go up, and if it is at the top, the probability is that market will fall from here. जब ये मैंने 6th of March को पब्लिश किया चार्ट, उस समय DAX index was trading near to 23,025. ठीक उसके एक महीने बाद, that was the 7th of April, ये भी एक गैन डेट मैंने बताई कि there is a possibility of reversal from 7th of April. Over the next month, from 6th of March, the DAX index experienced a significant decline. By early April 2025, exactly on April 7th, the index had dropped to 18,489, making a 4,536 point decrease from the prediction date. The drop also represents a 4,986 point decrease from the all-time high of 23,475. The price of the index reached near to the low of September 12th, 2024. All the gains of 9 months were wiped out in just a month. What are the key takeaways? The megaphone pattern proved to be a reliable indicator of major market reversal. Early identification of such patterns can provide valuable insight for traders and investors. This case underscores the importance of technical analysis, price action in anticipating market movements. The link of 6th March is being provided. You can view the original prediction and analysis on YouTube community post. The biggest announcement from Warren Buffett's speech was that he will be retiring at the end of the year, ending his leadership stint of over 60 years. He talked about tariff, he talked about the strength of US economy. That we will talk in detail in next video. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my student, friends and the loved ones. Love from core of my heart. Happy trading, happy investing.